Hi friends, it's future Leila here. Sorry for the redness. I've been leaning like this on my face, editing my video, and that's what happens. So, watching this video, I just want to let you guys know that I have been doing this challenge, not perfectly, but I'll discuss that at the end of the month. And but if you want to join me, I'm considering the first 15 days of January a grace period. It has started off rough for a lot of us, especially with all the world events going on that affect us emotionally. But not just that, but you know, weather and that type of thing. Like, January 1st is just a day. There's no magic in it. So, if you want to join me on this challenge, start in the middle of January, January 15th. So, I will check back in with you at the end of the month and discuss how I did, show you some things that I have done, and we will discuss it from there. Okay, let's keep watching. Hi friends, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel, Leila's Lovely Life. I am Leila, and I am here with my third video of the day. I have time to film videos today, so that is why you're seeing me in the same outfit. So today I wanted to bring you my January challenge video. So this is what I am challenging myself for in January. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will list the video where I explained about my monthly challenges in an iCard above. So I have my notes on my computer screen. If you hear my computer gurgling and making crazy animal noises, and if you see me looking in that direction, I have my notes on the screen. So my monthly challenge for myself in January is to journal and write every day. I haven't given myself a page limit. I haven't given myself a time limit, but this is something that I need to do. I often think about doing it, but I don't do it. I just get busy with other things. I get busy with cooking, cleaning, whatever, and I just put it off. But I'm an introvert. I don't tend to talk about my feelings or talk to other people, except my husband and my kids, about things that are going on in my life. I don't tend to ask other people for advice or anything like that. And so I don't get it out. I don't get my feelings out. So I need to do this for myself. Okay, so sorry about that. I asked my son to come get the cat. So along with writing and journaling every day, because that's not going to take the whole day, unless I, uncover something deep, dark, and mysterious, and it just devastates me, which, can happen, but let's hope not. I am also challenging myself to organize and deep clean the house for 2 hours a day. Now, I clean my house every day. Y'all probably do too if you have a family, and animals in particular, and teenage boys. You probably clean in your house every day. But I mean, like, organizing things that don't get organized. Things like that. Deep cleaning things that normally don't get deep cleaned, like pulling furniture out and cleaning it. I tend not to do that. Kitchen appliances, I do the best I can, but Lord knows I've never been to the maid training academy. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just like, you know, winging it. So, at the same time, when I do that for 2 hours a day, which doesn't sound like a whole lot, but it is. It's a lot. I'm not going to put on YouTube or music when I do it either. First of all, YouTube is very distracting. I mean, I like watching YouTube when I'm cooking and washing the dishes, but having to like flip, like when the video's over, first of all, sometimes you have to stop and watch the video, especially if you like who you're watching. And second of all, when the video's over, you have to look for a video you want to watch. That takes up the time, right? And I don't like listening to music while I'm cleaning. I just don't. Silence, for me, silence is truly golden. So while I'm organizing and deep cleaning to keep myself busy, and not busy, that's crazy, to keep myself happy and like not feeling like I'm just cleaning, I am going to make plans on paper to redecorate. Now I know this is a no spin challenge, but I do have paint that I haven't finished using. So, and this could also be for next year, like if I want to redecorate something for next year. So I'm also going to be writing down ideas for redecorating. I'm going to be looking on Pinterest for like ideas to redecorate small spaces. I'll be rearranging things in my house just to put things in different places, and maybe something will work better that I hadn't thought of. Maybe I can find a better solution for this piece of furniture or that basket, or you know, things like that. So I will be thinking about things like that while I am deep cleaning. And then also I need to start exercising again. So I'm going to start small. I'm going to just start walking. Now, if you know me in real life, you know I am a hooper. Now, if you don't know what that means, just search up hooping on YouTube and you will find tons of people who are in the hooping community. I make my own hula hoops. They are adult sized. They are weighted. Some of them are weighted. I love to hoop. It is a low impact form of like aerobic activity, and if you listen to music while you're hooping, time passes much quicker. You work out your core. So I am going to be walking / hooping outside every day on nice days. Now I know it's winter and not every day is going to be nice. Where you live, you might be getting snow. Where I live, it's too cold for snow. I mean, too warm for snow. We get rain. So not every day is going to be nice. And I don't have hooping boots anymore because I wore them out. And because this is a no spend year, I'm not going to buy myself any. So I'm going to have to use what I have, tennis shoes, whatever. But my favorite and preferred way to hoop is barefoot, because you can feel the grass under your feet and it's just better. But sometimes you can't hoop without shoes on, so I guess I'll be wearing tennis shoes. But so I will be walking / hooping every day. It doesn't mean I'm gonna start out doing 2 hours a day. I might just pop in my iPod and pop on my iPod, because I'll wear it on my shoulder, and just do, you know, 3 or 4 songs. That's about 25 to 30 minutes. But I need to start exercising again. I am not trying to push myself, because if I exercise too strenuously, if you look up people with Hashimoto's, you will find a common theme, and that is strenuous exercise lowers your immunity and makes you more vulnerable to getting sick. And that happens to me. So I have to exercise gently. So those are the 4 things that I am going to be doing. Writing, journaling every day, deep cleaning, reorganizing, 2 hours a day, at the same time making plans. But I won't be spending any money this year on redecorating. But I may be just like, you know, moving things around the house, doing this, doing that, tweaking this, tweaking that. You get the idea. Also exercising lightly. So anyway, I wanted to show you this. If you have something that you want to do, absolutely want to do the whole year long, I got this free printable from budgetgirl.com. If you guys don't watch Budget Girl, you should. She's hilarious. We just think, in this house, we think she's adorable. She's so cute. But this is a free printable that she made on her website, and I will link her video below explaining what it is. Basically, it's like it's a mental trick. If you want to do something every day and you cross out every day, you won't want to break the chain. So you're going to end up doing whatever it is that you want to do, because you won't want to break the chain. So go check her channel out and her video out, and you know, maybe that's something you're interested in. But end of the month wrap up and let you know how I did, and if I plan on continuing the challenge, or if it's like, okay, I'm done. I did it for 30 days or 31 days or 29 days, because I think February is 29 days this year. And I'm done. So that is my challenge this month, and let me know what you think about it. Have I taken on too much? Am I not pushing myself enough? Are you going to do the challenge with me? Are you doing other challenges? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I always love to talk to you there, so leave me a comment. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you in my next video, friends. Bye.